September 6th, 2024. Kai got sent home from school. What's wrong? Hey, is this the orange I told you not to throw away? The disgusting orange? Yeah. Just gonna get my feet wet, man. It is cooler, but still hot. There we go. Kai, I got one. Woo. Oh, it's a catfish. Look, buddy. I got a little catfish. All right. I was hoping it'd be a bass. I don't like catfish. I don't know why. I'm not used to catching them. Okay. Hold on. Little cat. I know. Stop squirming, crud. All right. Look at that ugly mug. Ow. Got me with its fin. I feel like I ought to get another one in here. Yep, little bump. There we go. Oh man. Hey Kai, look, I got a tiny, teeny fish. Another teeny tiny one, buddy. Look at these little tiny bluegills. They're pretty though. Look at that tiny guy. Another tiny one, buddy. Tiny, tiny. God, these are the smallest stinking bluegill. They must have a lot of competition.
So this is a quick outro from that video I did a couple weeks ago. Went up to Lake Sylvia, which is about like 45 minutes from my house in West Little Rock. It's a beautiful little lake with a dam. Years ago had some pretty decent bass in it, but they drained it last year. And you know, it obviously still hadn't really recovered yet. Got 3 bluegill and a catfish, like a random catfish that stabbed me in the finger. But Lake Sylvia is still not there. If anybody's thinking about going, you might get some catfish and some small brim, but that's probably about it for now. So, hey, thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.